Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how you can check null values using ExecuteScalar. For example, I'm using this query to find out the value returned by my query. For example, this value exists, so it's giving me a result. However, I'm going to put something else without it and it's giving me a different result. You can see that if I execute, it's giving me no values. Now I want to use ExecuteScalar for this small value, so I can bind it with with a label control and show it on my screen. So now you see I'm trying to fetch the value using anything that I'm trying to locate from this text box. So let's see. So this is the example, and I'm trying to fetch this query and then catch the return value in this variable, string variable. If it has something, it will show me that the value. If it does not have, so it will have the default value, no val. So if we are doing something like this, it will give us an error, as I will show you. Like you can check that it's trying to get this value and it will give it a null value exception. Okay, so let's go here, and you see, first of all I'm trying to fetch something which is already there, then it's giving me the exact value. This is because I have put on a auto post back true for this text box, and it's trying to fetch this value and it's showing me the desired result. However, if I'm putting something else other than what was given, then it will give me an exception. You see this object reference not set to an instance, because the execute scalar, it's returning a null value. That is why it's trying to fetch that and it's giving me an error. Now let's go back and see what we can do here. For example, we will try the next option, that is we will try to catch the error, but then that will be pretty much not so good option. I mean, let's see this one. Wait. Okay, let's try to do this one and comment this one. So I'm going to use a try catch block, and I will try doing this one, and let's see what's the result. Okay, so now I'm trying to fetch something which is there. It's giving me nothing because the value is there. Okay, but if I try to put something which is not there, let's say anything like this, okay, it handles the exception very well. But then if I try to get the value of this thing, it should show me the value. So I don't have another option where I can find the value. I mean, if there is no exception, then what it should show. I mean, by default it's taking it to a try catch block, and then it's giving me that there is no value. In the exception case, for example, I have a value, then what will it show? I mean, in case if there is an exception raised, then it will show this value. If not, then what? So I don't have an option, right? Okay, now let's go to the final option that I have, the final thing that I'm going to check. I will comment this one. So this is the thing which is really working here. Now see, I will place the value in an object, okay, and then I will check if that object is null. If that object is not null, then it will show me the value. If it's null, then it will show me that it's a null value, right? So this is the correct example. Let me just highlight that one. Okay. Yep, this thing. The connection is already open on the beginning of this codes, and this is the part where we are going to check it. Right, now let's see this. See this? Okay, now let's try to it's trying to give me the result which is there in the database. For example, I'm trying to pick up something which is not there in the database. Now let's see, for example, this something. No, right. Or I can print here like no value found or no data found. I can print something like this. Correct? Things working good. I hope this works for you. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.